How to reactivate Bolt account after deletion. Change your mind after deleting your Bolt account. Here's how to bring it back. If your account was only deactivated, simply open the Bolt app and log in again using your old credentials. Your profile will instantly reactivate. But if you requested a full deletion, reactivation depends on how long it has been. Within a few days, contact Bolt support from their help center and request recovery. After full deletion is processed, though you'll need to create a new account with a different email or phone number. Keep your account active by logging in at least once every few months. Inactive profiles can get removed automatically. Have you ever had to recover a deleted account before? Tell me how it went in the comments below. And that's how you can reactivate Bolt account after deletion. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.